In this video, I will show you step by step how you can delete your YouTube videos just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you will do, just go to your YouTube homepage like this and click on your YouTube profile picture here like this. Click on YouTube Studio and you will be directly in your YouTube Studio homepage like this. Okay, what you need to do next, click on content like this and choose which video you want to delete. Okay, let's say for example I want to delete this video. I will just click over here on option like this and I will click on delete forever like this. Select this, I understand, and click on delete forever and your video will be deleted forever from YouTube. And that's it. That's how you can delete YouTube videos from your YouTube channel just in few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.